What up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be doing the oil change on this Caprice, and we're just getting everything set up. We're gonna have to connect one of these lights because it's dark out here. So let me get to that and I'll put you guys back on. Right now we got the little light set up. We got a little plastic tub. Now this is the bolt that we have to remove. It's on the driver's side of the oil pan, and it's a 15 millimeter. This is how dark the oil is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty dark. And this car takes about 8 quarts of oil. And then you can see the oil filter back there. We're gonna remove that once it stops draining. We ran into a little problem removing the oil filter since we can't fit a belt style tool in here because of the catalytic converter. But luckily we did find our old oil filter remover tool, and this is actually gonna work, we hope. Yeah, there you go. Oh, shoot. Now we're gonna pour in the Mobile 1 oil that we picked up, 5W30. Alright, so it's all topped off with 8 quarts of oil. Now we're gonna test drive and see how much horsepower it gained, and we'll let you guys know the results on the next video. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.